Now, if we talk about the pathogenesis of the hyperparathyroidism and what causes stimulation of the parathyroid hormone, the first step is the decreased level of calcium in the serum. This decreased level of calcium in the serum, when it is captured by the parathyroid gland, then there is increased production of the parathyroid hormone in response to this decreased level of calcium. This parathyroid hormone that is produced, now it has two actions on the body. It can either act directly or indirectly. If we talk about the direct action, it acts on the kidneys, and then action on the kidney cause increased reabsorption of calcium and excretion of the phosphorus. And this directly will increase the level of calcium in the serum and decrease the level of phosphorus. The other is by reabsorption of the bone by osteoclast mobilization, and this causes increased level of calcium in the blood also. So decreased level of calcium in the blood activate the parathyroid gland to produce the hormone parathormone that acts on the body either directly or indirectly. If we talk about the direct action, it's on the kidneys and on the bones. Kidneys by increasing the reabsorption of calcium and increasing the excretion of phosphorus. In the bone by increasing the mobilization of the calcium from the bone, so the level of calcium in the blood is increased. And if we talk about the indirect action, then it converts 25 hydroxy vitamin D to 125 dihydroxy vitamin D. Vitamin D is also very important for the reabsorption of calcium, and this vitamin D acts on the intestine and increase the reabsorption of the calcium. That is very important in regularizing the level of calcium in the serum. So indirect action by conversion of 25 hydroxy vitamin D to 125 dihydroxy vitamin D, and its action on the intestine for the reabsorption of the calcium. It increases the absorption of calcium from the intestine and brings the calcium level back to normal.